Adjectives plus prepositions or dependent prepositions part 2. Hello and welcome back to EngVibes. In today's video, we will see adjectives plus some prepositions or dependent prepositions part 2. If you haven't watched part 1, I strongly advise you to watch it because there are a lot of things to learn. So let's get it ready. Adjectives plus prepositions part 2. So the adjectives that we have today are ashamed, eager, popular, happy, experienced, skilled. So these are the adjectives: ashamed, eager, popular, happy, experienced, and skilled. The other side we have some prepositions like with, at, about, of, for, and in. Let's try connect between the right adjective with the right preposition. As usual, start with the ones that you know. If you don't know ashamed, start with eager. If you don't know eager, start with popular, and so on. We go one by one, okay? We start from the first one, which is ashamed. We say, yes, you get it, ashamed of. Ashamed of. Eager. With, at, about, for, or in, we say eager for. Eager for. Number 3, we have popular. Popular goes with. He's popular with something. Happy. We say, I'm happy about. Happy about. Before the last, experienced, we say experienced in. And the last one, left at, so we say skilled at something. All right? Let's give it some numbers so that we remember them. Ashamed is number 1, goes with number 1 from the prepositions, which is of. Eager is number 2. For is number 2. Popular is number 3. With is number 3. Number 4 from the adjectives is happy, with number 4 from the prepositions, which is about. 5 is experienced, with 5 in the prepositions. Skilled is the last one, number 6, and at is the last one from the prepositions. Stop the video whenever needed. Try to remember them. Give me some examples and keep trying, keep practicing. Here is another exercise. I'm so grateful, gap, your help. At, for, about, or of. I'm so grateful, gap, your help. 5 seconds to decide which one is correct. At, for, about, or of. And the right option is correct. B, for. I'm so grateful for your help. We always say grateful for. All right, let's move on to the next one. Alma is talented. Alma's talented, gap, drawing. For, at, in, or of. Take some time, pause the video whenever needed. Alma's talented, gap, drawing. And that's it. The right answer is C, in. Alma is talented in drawing. Well done out there. Next. Ryan's good, gap, painting. That apostrophe S is actually the verb to be with third person singular. He is. Ryan is good in, with, of, or at. We saw this yesterday. For those who watched the video yesterday, it's gonna be easy for them. And the right answer is yes, at. Very good. Ryan's good at painting. Give me some other examples, okay? Kay's very jealous. Gap her friend's popularity. Here we have two apostrophe S's. The last one is called possessive S when we refer to belongings. And the first one is the verb to be with she. She is. She's very jealous. Kay's very jealous. Gap her friend's popularity. Of, with, at, or for. 5 seconds to decide. Pause the video if needed. And the right answer is A, of. Kay's very jealous of her friend's popularity. And the last one for today is for you guys. Adam's skilled gap repairing cars. Adam's skilled repairing cars. Is it with, at, about, or for? Write down your answer in a comment section and we will check it. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, kindly leave them in the comment box and we will get back to you soon. If you like this video, share it with your friends, comment, and subscribe if you are new. Because the next video will be part 3 of adjectives plus prepositions. So, till the next time, keep learning, keep vibing with EngVibes. Take good care of yourselves. See ya. Bye-bye.